Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. I am Jackson. I speak slowly. I am here to help you.
Hello, my friends. I am Lena. I am very happy you are here. You are doing great already.
Today, we will learn English at a coffee shop, a real place, a real situation. Very easy English.
You do not need perfect English. You do not need fast English. You only need simple English.
Please relax. Take a deep breath.
You can speak English. Yes, you can. Repeat after me.
I can speak English. It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are good. Mistakes help you learn.
Please listen. Please repeat. Speak slowly. No fear, no pressure.
Let's begin. At the coffee shop. Coffee. Coffee. Repeat after me.
I like coffee. I drink coffee. Pause. Repeat.
Tea. Tea.
I like tea. Tea is hot.
Cup. Cup.
This is a cup. A coffee cup.
Menu. Menu.
I read the menu. The menu is here.
Order. Order.
I order coffee. I order tea.
Price. Price.
The price is low. The price is high.
Small. Large.
Small coffee. Large coffee.
Sugar. Sugar.
I want sugar. No sugar, please.
Milk. Milk.
Coffee with milk. Tea with milk.
Hot. Hot.
Cold coffee. Hot coffee.
Please. Please.
Coffee, please. Thank you, please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Here you are.
Here you are. Your coffee.
Take away. Take away.
Take away coffee. I go home.
Sit here. Sit here.
I sit here. I drink coffee here.
Great job. Very good. You are learning English. Can I have? Can I have? This means I want.
Can I have a coffee? Can I have a tea?
I would like. I would like. Very polite. Very easy.
I would like a coffee. I would like a tea.
How much is it? How much is it? This means price.
How much is the coffee? How much is this?
That's all. That's all. No more.
That's all, thank you.
For here or take away.
For here, please. Take away, please.
Repeat all phrases once more slowly. Hello.
Hello. Welcome.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Yes. Small or large?
Small, please.
Hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Sugar?
Yes. 1 sugar.
Milk?
Yes, please.
For here or take away?
For here, please.
That is $2.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please wait.
Thank you. Please wait means wait a little.
Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
I would like a tea, please.
Hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Sugar?
No sugar.
Milk?
Yes, please.
For here or take away?
Take away, please.
That is $1.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Now you speak. Yes, no. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Can I have coffee?
A coffee.
You are the customer.
Say, can I have a tea, please?
Very good. Let's repeat. Can I have a coffee, please? How much is it? For here or take away? That's all. Thank you.
You did amazing. You spoke English.
Please say one sentence now.
I would like a coffee.
Great job. We are proud of you.
Practice every day, little by little.
See you next time. Bye-bye.